today I have to continue with this shop drawing. So you can see we have already completed the duct designing with the single line drawing. So we have to continue with the shop drawing. So what you have to do, you have to copy this first. Okay. Use copy command. Select all this. Enter. Place it here. Now we have to convert this polyline with the single line. So for this one you have to select this. All these line you have to select first. Use explode command X enter to convert it into the normal line. Now we start with this duct. So you can see here the width of the duct is 1200 and height is 650. So for offset, use offset command 1200 divided by 2. Select this line, click here, select this line, click here. And now you can see this this is diffuser, so some CFM will be passed through this diffuser, then remaining CFM is here, and the duct size will also change. Make one reducer here, so we use explode command here for vertical, and make one reducer after this diffuser, so any fitting will be at a distance of 150 from the offset, so 150 and offset 450. The minimum size of the diffuser is 450. Okay, now TR trim the extra line. So TR enter, trim this line. Again use TR trim command, select this one, enter, select this line. Now you can see the duct size at this level, at this point is 1100 by 650. So fit 1100 divided by 2. Make one line from this point to this point. Here, trim the extra line, so select the cutting edge. This is will be the cutting edge enter. And select the line which you want to trim. Now here, the double enter, trim this line here. Okay, so this duct is ready. Now we have to make one more piece. Use Excel command view for vertical. At this point, for offset 250. Again offset 750. For offset 150. Okay, so now create one line from this point to here and join this point. Again draw one line from here to here and join here. Now TR, trim the extra line. Then use TR trim command. Select this line to trim it. Very good. Now save this, so you can see this shop drawing for this duct is ready. Now we have to move for the another duct, so we have to continue with the next tutorial. So please be with me and keep watching my video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.